Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeats.com, and we've got a brand new video for you today. Today I am showing you how to keep and care for your freshwater pearl beads. Pearls are a beautiful addition to any kind of jewelry project, and you want to make sure that you keep them looking nice and pretty. So let's dive into the care and keeping of pearls. Because pearls are so soft and are made from natural elements, they need special care. Here we're going to talk about some helpful hints for ensuring your pearls stay pretty and polished. Be sure not to place pearls next to other pieces in a jewelry box, rather keep them in a pouch to prevent scratches. Some people's skin is more acidic than that of others, so be aware that if pearl jewelry is worn against the skin on a regular basis, it will gradually absorb some of the acid and eat away at the pearl. And you can slow down this process by wiping pearls with a soft cloth after each wear. Certain chemicals can damage pearls easily, including perfume, vinegar, and lemon juice. Exposure to heat can cause discoloration in pearls and cause them to crack too. And dry air can also damage pearls, so keep that in mind. Some precautions to keep in mind when cleaning your pearls: use jewelry cleaner that is specifically labeled as safe for pearls. Never use an ultrasonic cleaner or steam clean your pearls. And never expose pearls to detergent, bleach, baking soda, or ammonia-based cleaners. And do not clean them with abrasive materials such as a toothbrush or a scouring pad, because that can scratch the surface, and you don't want that. And then one more tip: if you wear your pearls often, it is best to have them restrung every year, which, if you watch some of our videos or take a look at some of our tutorials for knotting between pearls or stringing pearls, we can help you do that on your own if that's something that you're interested in, and I will provide links for that in the video description. So that's just some quick tips for the care and keeping of your pretty pearls. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. We always love hearing from you. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so you're the first to know when videos like this hit the internet. Thank you again so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.